This is the third installment of my apartment series. The first two installments covered life in my previous place, and in this video I'm going to give you a tour of my apartment when it was empty after I had just signed the lease. Before we get into the tour, I'll give you some basic information about the apartment. It's a 1-bed, 1-bath apartment in the financial district of San Francisco, and rent is $2,900 per month. I'll give you more information about the place after the tour, and that tour starts right now. The first thing you see when you open the door is the living area. On the left of the entryway is the laundry room. If you saw my videos about my experience living in my previous place, you'll understand how happy I was to see in-unit laundry in the apartment listing. The freedom of not needing to compete with 40 plus other tenants for a single washer and a single dryer eliminates so much unnecessary anxiety. On the other side of the entryway is the closet. It has some shelving, some hooks, and a bunch of random phone wires. Now onto the living area where you get a view of basically the rest of the apartment. This includes the living room itself and views of the kitchen and the bedroom. Looking straight ahead, you see where all of the natural light in the space comes from. And panning down, you see the laminate floors that look like cherry hardwood. Or something like that. My hot take is that it's not my favorite because in the perfect Raymond place, everything would be neutral colors. But I can live with this because I'm a renter and not a buyer. On the right side is a big blank wall with many possibilities. Admittedly, this space doesn't get much natural light, so the rest of the tour will be with lights on. To the left of the blank wall, you see the windows again, as well as the bedroom door and kitchen again. Here's a look at the kitchen where you see the counters, cabinets, and appliances. The first thing you see is the thing that will make most San Francisco apartment renters jealous, because apparently dishwashers are rare in San Francisco apartments. Next to the dishwasher are some cabinets. Just above is the sink with a faucet that pours a low-pressure stream of water. Thankfully, since filming this, the realtor made good on his promise to replace the faucet. Near the wall are the drawers. The top one appears to be for utensils. I suppose the second one is for skillets and small pots. And the bottom one looks like it's for large pots. Above is some cabinet space that will come in handy. Hopefully these appliance manuals will not need to come in handy. On the other side of the kitchen is more cabinet space. In the middle of the cabinets is a microwave that looks fairly new, or at least in very good condition. Below the microwave is a stove and an oven, which will definitely both be lifestyle upgrades from the previous place I lived in, as some of you saw in previous videos of this apartment series. Here's a look at the inside of the oven. I see a lot of chocolate chip cookies and maybe even some brownies in this oven's future. On each side of the oven is some more drawer and cabinet space. Here's a look inside of the fridge, which is way bigger than anything I've ever had before. Like, this thing is definitely a symbol of the lifestyle inflation I'm experiencing right now, and I'm not mad. It will be nice to finally be able to store generous volumes of food that I can prepare later so I don't need to eat out as much as I used to feel I needed to. At the bottom is the freezer. It's not a large freezer, but it's still bigger than anything I've ever had for myself, and I don't think I'll need all this space. Now let's enter the bedroom. I might be able to fit my entire previous space inside of this bedroom. On the right is the closet with some shelves and hanger space. On the other side of the bedroom is the entry to the bathroom. Usually it would be awkward having to go through the bedroom to get to the bathroom, but not if only one person is living here. On the left side of the bathroom is the towel rack. Swinging over to the right is the toilet. On the ceiling above the toilet appears to be the fan. There are the cabinets and the sink. And above are the mirror and the lights. This faucet definitely doesn't have a water pressure issue. There's some drawer space under the counter. The previous tenant left her products. And there's some space left under the sink, which will come in handy when I clear out some of the previous tenant's stuff. Though I will keep the toilet paper even though I already have more than enough from my previous place. On the right is some more drawer and cabinet space. Then there's the tub and shower. As we pan up, you'll see the white shower tiles and the shower head. Here are the pieces of tub and shower hardware. Back to the bedroom. This is the view of the living area and the bathroom. This gray stool came with the apartment and provided a convenient place for my backpack as I filmed this. At the beginning, I promised I would give more information about the place. The $2,900 monthly rent includes water and garbage, but gas and electricity need to be paid for in a separate utility bill. And I will reveal those numbers in a future furnished version of the tour. This apartment also came with a patio that I didn't show for privacy reasons. And the apartment came with storage space in the basement where I can house all of my unnecessary clutter to keep the apartment clean. Anyway, this has been the third installment of the apartment series, and I've linked the playlist below if you're interested in the rest of the apartment series videos.